Hello everyone. Today, I will guide you through the process of downloading the TiviMate 8K Pro application. First, go to the App Store and download the application called Downloader. This application will allow us to install TiviMate 8K Pro. Once the download is complete, open the Downloader app. In the search field, enter the code I provide. Next, click on Search. That's it. TiviMate 8K Pro is now successfully installed on your device. If you already have a subscription, you can start using it immediately. If not, please contact me on WhatsApp to purchase your subscription. You will find our number in the video or in the description below.